Hey guys, welcome back to Michio Makes. My name is Michio, and I like to make stuff. Today I've got something a little different than my normal videos. It's a kind of a quick tip video. This is my Grundig G6 Aviator Buzz Aldrin edition. This is one of my favorite shortwave radios, and I've had this one for about 10 years, maybe even 12 years. But it's kind of run into a little problem. Now it looks okay right now, but this is what this was what was on the entire radio before. Um, if so, for some reason or somehow it produced this weird sticky resin. I have no idea what the heck it is, but basically it's really sticky, and it was all over front and back side. I actually was able to start getting this cleaned and really fixed by doing one really quick thing. And let me grab it. Um, this is 70% isopropyl alcohol in here and a blue shop rag. I use the shop rag because it doesn't leave any like kind of dust or anything. But I just take some isopropyl alcohol and give it a good rub on this gunky stuff. And isopropyl is totally fine on electronics too because it dries really well. It's non-conductive, so it's not like water. But if you do this, you'll actually start getting like a little weird. I don't know if it's like a dirt or whatnot, but it does take off that sticky. I did it to this top side and to the front to remove that stickiness off that. So just a kind of a quick tip for you. If you have some electronics or, to be honest with you, any kind of rubberized plastic that starts producing this kind of weird sticky gunk on it, use a little 70% isopropyl alcohol, rubbing alcohol, and use again a non I guess dust or kind of tough paper towel or even a rag, and you'll be able to rub that off real good, and you'll be able to kind of restore your electronics back to new. All right. Well, thanks very much. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like, and please check out my other ones. Thanks very much. Talk to you later.